Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hingham local and long-distance movers near me. Your relocation needs may simply be moving from one part of Hingham, MA, to another part of it. It looks like a simple task, but doing it yourself comes with risks that you won't have to deal with if you hire 3 movers to do it for you. This moving company has a team of professionals that can move your belongings across the city safely and quickly. Call Hingham local TM Movers for a beautiful relocation experience. Using them guarantees peace of mind because you will expect little to no risks based on their excellent ratings and positive reviews about them. Undoubtedly, you will run into different companies if you are looking for long-distance movers to work with, but it's best to go with the preferred choice, Hingham Long Distance 3 Movers. They'll transport your belongings safely at a fair price. An advantage of working with them is that there are no hidden charges. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hingham moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.